बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम व्यूवर्स और स्टूडेंट्स खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं सेकेंड ईयर का फ़िज़िक्स का स्टडी पेपर लेकर हाज़िर हुआ हूँ। आपने बाकी पेपरों की तरह इसके तमाम MCQ शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस को अपने पास नोट करके इसकी बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करनी है, ताकि 5 मई से जो फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर के पेपर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर आपके फ़िज़िक्स के में बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर आ जाएँ। तो हम पेपर की तरफ आते हैं। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 MCQs है, मल्टीप्लाई चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। इसमें मल्टीप्लाई चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं, अटैम्प्ट ऑल क्वेश्चंस, सेक्शन ए है ये। इसका नंबर 1 है, अ चार्ज पार्टिकल कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड बाय इट्स चार्ज ओनली, साइज ओनली, मास ओनली, रेशो ऑफ चार्ज एंड मास। नंबर 2, द सर्कुलर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड around a conductor inversely depends on current, time, radius, length of conductor. Number 3, if a pair of electron and position is produced with a photon with energy 1.5 MeV, then its K of both particles combined by together is 1 MeV, 0.8 MeV, 0.5 MeV, 0.02 MeV. Number 4, if magnitude of two similar charges is 1 centigrade each and they are separated by 1 m, the force between them equals to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Newton, 8.85 multiply 10 power minus 12 Newton, 6.63 multiply 10 power minus 34 Newton, 6.67 multiply 10 power 11 Newton. Number 5, the maximum work is obtained in a process which is isothermal process, adiabatic process, isochoric process, isobaric process. Number 6, which one is not the property of a material? Decay constant, specific heat, resistance, density. Number 7, Boyle's law holds for an ideal gas in a process called isobaric process, isochoric process, isothermic process, adiabatic process. Number 8, unstable isotope of hydrogen is protium, deuterium, tritium, all of these. Number 9, the work done in carrying a charge Q once round the circle of a radius r with a charge Q at the center is kq upon r, kq square upon r, kq upon q, kr upon q, 0. Number 10, the output power of a transformer increases with increasing magnetic flux, time, output current, input current. Number 11, the work function depends on incident frequency, cutoff wavelength, area of metal, time. Number 12, the unstable nucleus used in the treatment of cancer: uranium-235, cobalt-57, uranium-236, cobalt-60. Number 13, the unit of general gas constant is joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, joule mole Kelvin inverse, joule inverse mole inverse Kelvin inverse, joule mole Kelvin. Number 14, two photons are traveling in the same direction. The relative velocity of one with respect to the other is 0 c infinity c square. Number 15. In a moving coil galvanometer, magnetic torque equals to restoring torque, opposing force, current, number of turns. Number 14. The impedance of RL circuit is Z is equal to R plus XL. Z is equal to root R square plus X L square. Z is equal to R square plus XL square. Z is equal to root R plus X. Number 17. Beta particles emits out from a radioactive nucleus due to disintegration of proton, orbital electron, neutron, alpha particle. Section B starts. Question number 2. Give short answers of the following questions. Attempt 10 questions. Marks 40. Question number 1. Why the resistance of a semiconductor decreases due to increase in temperature? Number 2. Define and explain self or mutual induction. Number 3. What are logic gates? Write truth table for A and D and O are logic gates for 3 inputs. Number 4. In an RL circuit, the resistance is 30 ohm and the inductance is 0.2 H. Calculate the total impedance at a frequency of 60 Hz. 5. A Carnot's engine performs 400 joule of work in each cycle of operation. Its efficiency is 50%. Calculate its heat absorbed and heat expelled. Number 6. A straight metal rod 50 cm long can slide with negligible friction on parallel rails. It moves at right angle to the magnetic field 0.35 Web M inverse square. The rails are joined to battery of EMF 5 volts and a fixed series resistance of 2 ohm. Calculate the force required to hold the rod at rest. Number 7. The half-life of carbon 14 is 5730 years. Calculate its decay constant or define and explain fission and fusion reaction with respective equations. Number 8. An electron acquires a speed of 10 power 6 meter per second. Find its energy in electron volts. H is equal to 6.63 multiplied 10 power minus 34 joule second. Number 9. A 250 ohm emitter deflects full scale for a current of 300 milliampere. What must be a resistance connected to it so its range increases to 5 ampere? Number 10. State Ampere's law. Derive the expression for magnetic induction of a solenoid or a toroid. Number 11. Calculate the wavelength of X-rays if the energy of one photon emitted by the X-ray machine is 1.9878 multiplied 10 power 15 joule. Number 12. An electric heater rated 800 watt at a rate of 3.5 ampere. What would be the resistance of its heating element and potential difference across it? Number 13, explain the working of HENE laser. Number 14, at what speed the mass of a particle becomes twice of its raised mass. Section C, give the detailed answers of the following questions. Attempt 2 questions. Marks 28. Question number 3. A. State first law of thermodynamics. Also explain the isothermal process with its graph. Or explain Carnot's cycle. Show the efficiency of Carnot's engine is less than 100%. B. Question number 3B. Explain the construction and working of a moving coil galvanometer. Or how can a galvanometer converts into an ammeter and a voltmeter? Drive the relevant expressions of resistance connected to the galvanometer. Question number 4A. Explain the experiment to obtain charge to mass ratio of an electron, or show that pressure of an ideal gas is directly proportional to the square of the mean speed of molecules of an ideal gas. Question number 4B. Give the construction and working of a transformer or an AC generator. Question number 5A. What is photoelectric effect? Drive Einstein's photoelectric equation. Or what are X-rays? Describe the experiment to produce them. Describe X-rays spectrum. Briefly. Question number 5B. Define radioactivity. State and explain law of radioactive decay, and describe changes in the nucleus as a result of radioactive decay. तो ये था सेकेंड ईयर फिज़िक्स का स्टडी पेपर। उम्मीद है तमाम स्टूडेंट्स ने इसको अपने पास नोट कर लिया होगा, और नोट करने के बाद आपने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से इसकी तैयारी करनी है ताकि बहुत ही बेहतरीन नंबर आ जाएं फ़िज़िक्स के सेकेंड ईयर के पेपर में। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट भी लाजमी कीजिएगा। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।